Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be taking you in a day in my life on campus at St. Michael's College during a pandemic. So let's go get ready. Much better. Now let's go make some breakfast. So when I tutor my student on Tuesday and Thursday mornings, this is usually what my desk looks like. I have all of my notes for what my student wants to learn today. I have our chapter book that we've been reading to work on our reading comprehension. I have a word ready for when we work on sounding out the different letters in a word. I have our agenda for the day, and I have my lesson plan. So I'm ready to see my student.
Ready? Let's all show. 1, 2. Woo! Nice job! Oh, I love it!
I just finished my first class and tutoring for the day, so now I have about 20 minutes before I have my second online class of the day, and that class is my senior seminar in psychology, so it's where I'm focusing on writing my thesis proposal. So today in class, I think we're watching a documentary about Freud, and then hopefully some time to work on our thesis. Alright, so it's about 2 p.m. I finished my classes for the day, and I think I'm going to get a little bit of homework in. Usually I have about 2 or 3 hours of homework per night. That's on average, so if I have an exam or a big paper, it'll increase a bit. But I would say that's pretty typical of students at St. Mike's. It will vary depending on your major and your coursework you're taking that semester, but it's very manageable. Another thing I'm involved in on campus is Residence Hall Association Club. I'm one of the co-presidents, and we are an event planning club, so we just plan fun events for our students on campus for no cost. So we do a lot of different things, like we do bingo nights, we do cookie deliveries, we have a Quidditch match every year. Some of those we're trying to figure out how to make them virtual during this pandemic. So today I am handing out care packages, so parents could have signed up to send their student a care package for Halloween, and I'm helping hand them out. Alright, so we took a little break from homework. We just went on a quick mile run on this beautiful day, and back to homework. Alright, so my homework's finally done for the day. I usually like to end my evenings relaxing, trying to do a little bit of de-stressing. So I think my roommate and I are going to watch some of Grey's Anatomy, cook some dinner, maybe have some tea. It's just going to be a relaxing night for me. I hope you all enjoyed watching my day in the life and get a little taste of what it might be like for you if you were to come to St. Mike's. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!